Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very important and very important for all my Vechain viewers, my subscriber, because I have something very special news and updates for all of you. And today we will also discuss, my friend, the technical analysis, the price prediction of this coin, and some secret information about Vechain. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly holder, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel, click the red button and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. So hope you will subscribe it, man. All right, so this time, as you can see here, in the start of these 3 days, you can see here the first night of these 3 days, my friend, you can see here they were fells down, but after that the coin will completely moving up like a rocket, like a Spider-Man. They will take a jump. So definitely after a short dump, every coin will pump. But something very bad, my friend, you can see here this time minus 0.11% they were lost now. So this is the total average, my friend. You can see here in these last 3 days total average, if we check out, so minus 0.11% they are lost. So that's mean to we will not get a profit, we will lost in last 3 days, my friend. But don't worry, every stake channel will give you guarantee, my friends, to you will earn a lot of money from crypto and you will never lose. So just and only follow my advice, my video, what I tell you, my prediction, and I hope you will never lose, my friend. You can see here in the start of this 3 days, my friend, you can see they were fails down, but if we check out in last 24 hours, so minus 8.41% they are lost. That's mean to they were very badly fails down. So it's clear, my friends, to after this dump they will wake up and they will move upward. So I will give you guarantee to in upcoming 24 hours they will give you a 10% to 8% to 10% profit. So that's true, my friends. But I hope, my friends, they will move upward. But this is my latest price prediction, my friend. I already predicate this on PC, but this time you can see here I just, my friend, predicate this on this chart. So please, holder, try to understand. I just basically, my friend, you can see here I predicate this on PC laptop. But this time, my friend, you can see here I just open this local chart, and I hope you will better understand, my friend, to what I tell you. So you can see here this time the candle, the green candle is clearly told, my friend. You can see here, so after this BP point, you can see, my friends, they will upward. So it's true, my friend, you can see here too, it's true, it's 100% true, my friends, they will get a profit. But absolutely after this term, you can see here they will 8% loss. So that's mean, my friends, to the this for this candle, my friend, you can see here they I think they, if we count this just in only this one candle 1%, so that's mean to we will need, my friends, 8 candles to they will get a profit and recover this loss. So, my friends, we will make this, my friend, for all upcoming updates. But please, that's literally very badly fails down. So I can't expect this, but literally, my friend, I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will move upward. And everybody know this too, after a short time every coin will pumps up. So that's true to upcoming days they will move upward, and I will give you 100% guarantee to in upcoming 24 hour they will get a 10% profit. So please, let's wait for this 24 hour. But please, holder, if you want to latest price prediction videos now, just and only subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my friends, and absolutely this coin will priority from all coins now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.